inequality just means you have a greater than or less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to sign. So linear inequalities is just you're graphing on a straight line. A variable is a letter that represents a number, which you guys did that last lesson. So it says x is less than 7. So x can be any number, or sorry, not less than, x is greater than 7. X can be any number greater than 7. Then right there on the right it says x is greater than or equal to 7. So x can be 7, so it can be 7, it can be equal to 7, or any number greater than 7. Down here it says x is less than negative 4. So x is any number less than negative 4. It can't be negative 4, it's got to be less than negative 4. So like negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. The next one is x is less than or equal to negative 4. So it can be negative 4 or anything less than negative 4. If you get confused on your greater than less than sign, draw a number line. This sign over here points to the bigger numbers, greater than, and right here is your greater than sign. Over here, it goes to the smaller numbers, less than, and right here is your less than sign. So to solve this, it's just like what we did in the last lesson. You want to get all the like terms together. So negative 3 right here doesn't have a letter, so I'm going to get it away from the 2x. So I'm going to say plus 3, plus 3. This cancels out. You're left with 2x. Drop your sign down. 3 plus 3 is 6. How do I break 2 and x apart? Divide. It's 2 times x. It doesn't tell you what the letter is. Do the opposite. Opposite of times is divide. So x, your sign, 3. If you graph it, if it says graph it, then on your number line where you have a 3, you would circle it. It would be an open circle because it's just less than. It's not less than or equal to. And it's going to go to the less than sign. Notice that arrow shoots to the left. So your line shoots to the left. And over here we say an open circle because it's this less than sign and not less than or equal to. This is a really, 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 really important rule because if you don't know the rule, then you'll miss some of them. So the same thing as the last problem. I want to get rid of any number that doesn't have an x and move it to the right. So 5 doesn't have an x, so move it over to the right. Cancels out. You're left with 4x is greater than or equal to. Same sign add, different sign subtract. So what am I going to do with negative 3, negative 5? Add. Negative 3 and negative 5 give you? Okay. Oh. So this was actually a negative 4. So right there, go put a negative on that problem. So you're left with negative 4x. So how do I break negative 4 and x apart? Divide. When you divide or times by a negative, what happens to your sign? It flips. Your sign flips. When you divide or times by a negative, your sign flips. Right here, if you multiply or divide by a negative, your sign flips. Right? So then if you graph it, you would circle 2. Is it going to be colored in? Yes, because it's equal to, and it's going to shoot to the less than sign. So you want to move 3 to the other side. That cancels out. You're left with 2x is less than 12 divided by, or 12 minus 3 is 9. How do I break 2 and x apart? Divide. Your sign does not flip because that's a positive. You get 4.5. So if you graphed it, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4.5 is going to be right here. You would circle it, and it would go to the left. Okay, so the next one, or this one. Okay, so I'm going to subtract by 4 to move it to the other side. I'm left with negative 2x is greater than or equal to, same sign, add, different sign, subtract.
Negative 12.
Negative 12. To break them apart, I divide. What happens when you divide by a negative?
Sign.
Flip your sign. So you would graph it by putting 6 on a number line. Is it going to be colored in?
Yeah.
And this is also going to the left-hand side. Move 3 to the other side. It cancels out. You're left with negative 5x. Your sign, 15. Divide by negative 5. What happens when you divide by negative? You flip your sign. So you have negative 3. You graph it, negative 3. It's going to be circled in. Is it going to be colored? Yes, because it's equal to, greater than or equal to. It's going to go to the greater than sign. Okay, so we're going to move 3 to the other side. Cancels out. You're left with x divided by 2 is greater than 6. Opposite of divide, if it doesn't tell you what the letter is, opposite of divide is 2. So times by 2 cancels out. What you do to one side, you. So you have x is greater than 12. On your number line, you would circle 12. It's going to be open circle because it's just greater than. It's going to go to the right. Okay, I'm going to subtract 5. It cancels out. Subtract 5. So you have x divided by 4. Drop your sign. Same sign, add. Different sign, subtract. Negative 10 and negative 5 give you negative 15. Opposite of divide by 4 is what you do to one side, you do to the other. Negative 60. If you graphed it, negative 60, would it be colored in?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's equal to, and it would go to the less than sign.
What does the doctors always say?
This is negative 4 is less than or equal to x. So whatever x is, negative 4 is less than that, right? So you can't graph it like this. They want x first, so you have to flip it around. So you would say x is greater than or equal to negative 4. How it eats, if you want to look at it like this, it eats x, there's its little teeth. It still has to eat x, there's its little teeth. Make sense? Everything has to flip. If they tell you x is greater than equal to 4 and x is less than 7, and they want you to graph it. So you would circle 4. Use red. You would circle 4. Is it colored in?
Yes.
Yes, because it's equal to, and your line goes which direction? To the right. Then you would circle 7. Is it colored in? And it goes to the left. So everybody, we're going to learn about and or. So everybody go like this. And, or. And, or. So, you know, and is together, or is apart. Okay, we said or was apart. So this is what it looks like apart. X is less than 3. So I circled 3. Is it colored in? Is it colored in? No, because it's less than. And it goes to the left. Then I circled 5. Is it colored in? Yes, because it's greater than or equal to, and it goes to the right. So or goes apart and goes together. So the lines come together. So what word do you know is going to be in between them? And. The first one, X. What's circled over here?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Which direction does the line go?
Right.
And is it colored in?
Yes.
Okay, the next one is X. What's circled on the right? 3. Which way does its line go? And is it circled? Is it colored in? Okay, you said that if they're going apart, it's what word? Or. So X, what's the first number circled? And which way is your line going? Left, so it's less than. Is it colored in? Okay. Your next one, which way is, or what circled? And And which way is your line going? Is it colored in?
Yes.
So it's equal to.